Hey, welcome back to Outback Tasmania, and we're on the brink of 4 days of solid rain. It is Sunday afternoon here, and I was planning on moving the greenhouse from where it was up on the fence line on a bit of a slope down on the flat here, just behind my studio actually. And let me tell you, it's one of the cheap ones. I've had it for a number of years. It does the job. It's humid in here already, and it's warm in here already. The door's open, but let me show you where I had it. Right, just there you can see where I've dug out, and I had it on that fence line. What we're doing with the neighbours, we're getting rid of that pine tree. It's like it's on the other side, but look how much it hangs over our side of the property. And as well, I want to hack into this one as well. This is I don't even know what it is. It's a canopy for wallabies to hang out on that side of the fence. That's what it is. But yeah, and talking about wallabies, since I've locked them out of the yard, look at that greenery. Look at that grass. It's absolutely coming along. Another week of rain. You can see I've got some logs still laying down on the hill, and the camera doesn't do the hill justice, but we won't go down that road anymore. Yeah, I've got a bit more wood chopping to do, but hey, look where it is now, the greenhouse. Yeah, so I come out of my studio, and as I walk around the lawn of weeds, let's just have a look. Some of the bulbs are starting to come up, and we're in the depths of winter right now. The agapanthus, there's a bulb coming up there through the agapanthus. I think we planted the bulbs way before I put those agapanthus in. This is one of the rescues from the wallabies. Ate this down to the ground. This one is a daisy. It's not flowering. Still, I've transplanted it and cut it back. Also, this one here, I've cut that one back and it's coming back nicely. And I think last time I showed you the agapanthus, they were really wilting. Like more bulbs. I'm not even sure what they are, but we've put those in the ground. There's the other daisy, agapantha. Ooh. Now this is the one that got attacked a second time. It's got, oh no, it's still a bit green. Yeah, give it time, it'll come back. Another one. Here we go again with the bulbs. Come up. Not sure what sort of daffodils they are. There's another daisy, and there's a row of agapanthus that we planned on having, and the rose, which was eaten right back, is just starting to come back to life. We're still 4 weeks away before the official start of spring. There's some more little bulbs there. And we've got these wild ferns. But look at this. We've cut this back about 10 times and it doesn't want to go away, so we're going to let this grow this year into a small ball. And look, more bulbs. And more bulbs. Yeah, this hydrangea was here when we moved in, and it was massive. It was as big as this fence, right up to here, and went out to there, and it come out way over the grass line, like way out here. But so we thought we'd cut it back, and we tried to kill it off. Like you can see where we've cut it back there. But no, it wants to grow. We're going to leave it now, let it grow. African daisies are all going crazy, still in the middle of winter, still flowering, or hanging on to flowers. And yeah, look at it holding the moisture, the water. Yep, you've seen these plenty of times, but look at that, there's a couple of bulbs coming up in that tray there, which was a rescue tray for the daisies. But anyway, these are these ones here that close up. They close up into a ball, but when they open up like this. They're called daisy fields. Bractenitha, is it? Bractenitha. And this is this daisy here was eaten way back as well. It's look how good it is now. This one gets the full sun in the mornings coming straight up the side. And look at how, yeah, there you go, that's the brand of lavender. And we're trying to get a nice little row going down the side here. When you come through, these are wallaby treats as well. The wallabies love them. So just as soon as you come through the gate, we want to have a hedge of lavender. And let me tell you, still the middle of winter. And on this side, I don't know whether maybe it's the lead paint. I'm assuming it's lead paint. It's old paint from a long time ago. But we couldn't get anything to grow up this side. Whatever we planted died back. Put in some trusty, succulents. And they seem to be doing well. So are the weeds. Got to get on top of it, but yeah, out the front still a wild collection of plants for the wallabies. You really got to watch what you plant out there. I haven't fenced them off out the front, but yeah, as you walk up, there should be lavender, and then hit the wall of daisies. That should go right around the retaining wall. Yeah, it's going to be good. Now let's go back to the greenhouse. What have I got over here? Anything exciting? Not really. And as we come up the back, I planned on, never know, if I get a break, I might actually try to. It's been under a few hours of rain now. But you never know your luck. Want to burn that back. As we come around, there's a lot of work to do here. This has just been done in the rain while I had a quick break. Gonna get that water catchment running down here to a tank. And yeah. And then we just come around here and we back in the humidity. And by the way, the sad looking palms are looking sad, but hey, I'll give them months. I'll see what happens. Here we go with some bell peppers. They decided to come up a long time ago when winter kicked off in a pot that I planted that they never come up, and then they come up in winter, like maybe 3 months after planting. But then a lot of them have died back off now, so these are the tough ones that have survived. Are they going to survive? I don't know. We'll soon find out if you keep watching the channel. So yeah, I thought, what can you grow quick and fast? Well, down here I've got spring onions, but here, yeah, got some peas and snap peas. So we'll see. I know you're supposed to sow them straight in the ground. They're no good for transplanting usually, but hey, it's winter, and look at this. There's the moisture. There's actually the moisture in here already. That's lovely. All right, well, I'm going to zip her up. I'm going to say thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff that most YouTubers go on with. But hey, this is just my channel in my backyard, out back. I'm out the back. So come and join the fun. I've got, when the weather warms up, I've got lots of little projects to do. So yeah, tell me what you think about this. Hang on, there we go. I had this high up on the hill, a couple of layers up, and it flew like a kite, come from way, like halfway down the hill and landed in the back, and I still had the pots and everything in here. And see, with these ones, they give you these little trays, but I like putting some old bits of timber and stuff just to give them a little bit more strength and support. And it's an oldie. It's still surviving. I've only got one joint that's basically rusted out. I'll see what I can do to fix that one down there. But apart from that, hey, plants are growing. It's the middle of winter, and yeah, let's just continue on our YouTube education of an old bloke in his garden. Until we meet again, this is Jonesy from Outback, Tasmania. It's always a great day. Not all the time, but it's always a great day in Tassie. Alright, see you next time.
Born in the barnyard, I got dirt for a bed. Why I am the chosen, so the good book said. But I found a different path, one to which I'm more inclined. I'm a blue Jesus, I'm a Philistine.